Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to declutter my vanity because it's extremely dirty. I just made myself this pumpkin cold brew. I added maple syrup and then dash of cinnamon or a lot of cinnamon. I feel like it adds the perfect touch. So lately I've been obsessed with that cold brew. It's so good. So if you like cold brew, I definitely recommend you get that. And it's really easy to make your coffees. So this is what I'm drinking today. But let me stop talking and get into cleaning my vanity because I know it's going to take me a couple of hours. So see you in the next clips. Okay, so I started off by cleaning everything on top of my vanity. As y'all can see, I have so many random stuff, just like hair care, so I put that where it's supposed to be. And the rest of the stuff that I had there was like makeup or things that I'm not going to use, and my brushes and the little trash can thing that I had there. So it was literally just cleaning the tub because I had so much random stuff in there that I didn't even know about. But yeah, I did this pretty fast just because it was, like I said, random stuff. And I'm still not sure if I want to keep my Hello Kitty mirror. I don't like it anymore, and I know it's so hurtful, but I don't like it. So I'm either going to take it to a donation center, like I have a lot of stuff that I'm going to donate, or take it to my little cousin. I'm still not sure just because I don't like it. But now I moved on to, cleaning the vanity, the mirrors, and I use, oh my god, this glass cleaner is so good. As you can see, my mirror looks so freaking clean. I also cleaned my light bulbs because they were really dirty. It had so much dust on them. But this didn't take me that long, probably around, no, I'm lying, not 40 minutes, like 30 minutes. But yeah, I did this pretty quick. Okay, so I'm done cleaning the top of the vanity. Now I'm going to start taking out some makeup. So this is my plans. So I'm going to make two piles. One pile is going to be for makeup that no longer works or that it's expired. I'm going to throw that away, and then the other pile is going to be makeup that I'm going to give away. So now let's get into that. It's okay though. It's okay now. And then after I do that with the makeup, I'm going to clean the tub because there's so many things on the tub. I don't know why. So I lost a clip of me cleaning this drawer. So this is basically a clip of me organizing again after I cleaned it. So yeah, guys, I'm very upset about that, but it's okay. This is how it looked. It looks so much better. But yeah, cleaning the drawers takes forever. Like literally I was here for hours doing all this. Now this is my makeup like little section. A lot of stuff no longer work and I had to throw away, and then some makeup was expired. So definitely not gonna keep that or give that to anyone. So yeah, I was just, I guess, decluttering this and cleaning it. But yeah, enjoy me cleaning this drawer, guys. Okay guys, so I am done with my makeup drawer. I feel like I did pretty good. I did that pretty fast. I kind of already knew what I was going to throw away. Makeup no longer worked, but I do have some makeup that I'm just not going to use. I'm going to give away. I have this one by some, this is a bronzer by Summer Fridays, and yeah, I still have my Say one, so I'm not gonna use this anytime soon, so I might as well give it to someone else. I have blushes by Summer Fridays, but they are a little bit dirty. I have a lot, but as you can see, the packaging is dirty because I had it with all the makeup. So I'm just gonna clean them, and then you see they're like, oh wait, this one is used, never mind. Yeah, you see they're like brand new and I don't want to throw them away, so I'm going to give it to my sisters or my friend. Now I'm going to throw some of the makeup I took out because it's expired. I'm not gonna give that to no one. Now it's time to move on to the lipstick drawer. When I tell y'all, I've been having these lipsticks for years. Years. I just never got rid of them, but today was the day that I had to, just because it was taking up so much space, and I already knew that most of those lipsticks did not work. I think except the Summer Fridays and some of the MAC, they still work, so I kept some of those. And then of course some shades that I just didn't like and I'm never gonna wear, I kept them for my aunts because they love MAC. And like, you see those Fashion Nova lipsticks, yeah, they're like expired, so I don't know why I still had them. It just sucks getting rid of beautiful things. And I need to stop doing that because it's just taking up so much space at this point. But look at the after. That's insane, right? Yeah, that's crazy. I can't believe that happened after so many years. But now let's move on to this drawer. I kind of forgot to record myself cleaning it, but this is the after. Looks pretty clean. And for this one, I kind of kept a lot of the stuff that I had here because it was lashes, palettes. I think I got rid of like one palette, but this is the after. I love it. It just feels so clean. My drawers don't feel as heavy anymore. But yeah guys, this took me a couple of hours. I just put a really good show right now. I'm watching The Real Housewives of Atlanta, and such a good show. I'm obsessed. But thank you for watching me clean my vanity. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing the video of me cleaning my vanity. My freaking floor looks so disgusting, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just editing and I'm like so disgusted because no way. It's literally hair everywhere. I'm so sorry. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me clean my vanity. I just wanted to like film something different for you guys. Like I said, I'm trying to find new videos to film. I feel like I just want to get repetitive. But yeah guys, there was no video this Monday because I completely forgot that it was Monday, and then when I realized it was, I guess, too late to film a video and then edit the video and post it at the same day. So I was just like, it's okay, I'll just miss this Monday, but then I'll have a video on Thursday. But yeah guys, this Monday and Thursday thing, it's not going to last that long because I'm going to be very busy in September. Well, actually, we're about to start September in like 3 days. What the fuck? I'm telling you, my days are like so messed up right now. But let me stop talking. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And until the next one, bye.